This video explains how to lose weight quickly without exercise. Watch this video to learn how to lose weight without exercising, including a step-by-step explanation of how to lose weight in one night without exercising. Exipure Weight loss. Exipure is a very natural, powerful supplement that was made of only natural exotic ingredients designed for people who suffer to lose weight naturally. This Exipure supplement was created especially for people who wish to lose a lot of weight without exercising or just don't have time to do so. How to lose weight fast overnight without exercise. 2021 people that actually don't have a balanced diet or don't practice exercise used to have a hard time losing weight easily, and that's why exposure was made. How to lose weight without exercising. Researchers who developed the formula of Exipure included 8 exotic natural ingredients that will totally solve the problem of people who look for how to lose weight fast. But remember, it only works if you don't give up and take it on a really day by day. It is not recommended to lose weight quickly, especially if you have more than 10 pounds to lose. On the other hand, a change in lifestyle will allow you to lose weight effortlessly. Thank you, and I hope I help you learn about this product. Yes, I'm an affiliate, and if you buy through my link I do get paid, so I thank you and stay tuned. I bring you more truth. Fred Boggs, Fred at shops.com. Keep in touch. Okay, thanks.